You know just what you do to me. Play my There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always.
And we're in Target.
'Cause that is what my heart says.
Do you have something to say for yourself, son?
Are you vlogging?
Huh?
Oh, that's so cool. What's that?
Do they love my camera or your dance moves? Why are we over here?
Things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. In a better place. It's the things. It's the things that you
Carmen is pulling up rainbow. We're here getting crabs because of Carmen. And I just want to document that a 4-year-old in 2023 can suggest crab legs for lunch and get them. And we couldn't even get McDonald's. Christian swears that he's freezing. Are you cool?
Mommy. Mommy.
What did you learn today at church?
Mommy. We learned about
All right, so we are home now. We did go to Tuesday morning. We got a couple more things. We did pick up the, what do you call it? I'm so tired, y'all. Not the baseboard, but like the railing for the bed. I think the mattress gets here tomorrow, but we need stuff to really move because this has to be live by Wednesday. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and end my video here because next week's gonna be a super busy week. The next time you'll see me, I will be 31. If you're not already following me on all my social media, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, make sure you do so, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
You know just what you do to me.